Hello, students. Today we are going to read lesson number one, fair dealing of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is English for class 6 in government schools. Let's start our lesson. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was always fair and honest in his dealing with other people even before his nabuwwat. He was known as the truthful and the trustworthy. In his young age, he became a trader. He traded with other people's money with great care and was very successful. The people of the Makkah were much impressed by his trading skills and fair dealing. They had complete trust in him